Hey, what's up? If you want to design a Facebook video for free and very easy, go to canva.com and make an account over there and just type in when you're inside Facebook video, click it, and you can choose all the bunch of templates over here. Make sure to click price to be free, and over here you can choose the template. Let's say, for example, you want to click on this one. And as you can see, you can change the text. Just click inside and change the text. Over here, change the font. Background, to change the background, click on the background and click on the colors, and you can see that you can now change the colors. To replace the images, click on image, go to photos, and just drag and drop the image over here. And the same thing is with the image over here. Also, you can drop some videos. Just click more and click videos, search for videos, and drag and drop the video over here like this. Now all you need to do is to download it in an MP4 video format and upload to your Facebook.